Hi everybody, welcome to week 6. I'm here in my car again. I'm going to give you an overview of what we are doing this week. So it's a little bit of a different format just because we didn't do the annotations of a big academic article or anything last week. We just worked on project journals, which are due, or they were due yesterday, Sunday, February 12th. But remember, you have 2 days after the due date, any due date, to get things in. So if you're still working on yours, you are not late. I started giving feedback to the ones that were posted by Friday, and I will continue to read and post feedback to the Padlet and the Jamboard. I've linked on the Padlet this week, so you will hear from me. So today, Monday, we are going to be doing a quick overview, sort of lecture discussion of the history of UC San Diego. And I'm excited to talk to you all about this. I'm going to talk about the origins of this particular UC campus, and hopefully just give us a little bit more context and background information for when we dig into the student newspapers. Wednesday, I'm going to do an overview of the newspapers. So just sort of giving you the snapshot of what each one, what's the sort of perspective and the run and the relationship of each newspaper to one another in a really, hopefully accessible way. This is like part of the larger issue that I wanted us to tackle in our future digital project, is like the network of how these papers fit with one another. So we're going to start talking about that, I guess, on Wednesday. And then Friday, our asynchronous day, we will be both responding and giving feedback to peers' project journals. So I want everyone to read at least 2 classmates' journals and then post some feedback. And then also read through some of the WordPress posts from the last 2 cohorts. So these are the second version of the WordPress posts. So you all will be working on your first version next week, which is just an initial sort of analysis of one particular issue of one paper. The posts that you're going to be reading this week are the second version, which is a more in-depth analysis. And I just wanted you to use all of the work or some of the work from previous cohorts to give you some more background information. So just really building off of the work that's been done, essentially just information. And start to take notes on those posts in your second project journals. So there's a lot of updates. Now we're switching into the second half of our class, the second half of the quarter, which changes up the format a little bit. You'll be doing more work to just sort of brainstorm and think about how to use this particular collection of student newspapers for the future. So I'm excited to talk about that more this week and give you some more clarity if you need it, and just sort of brainstorm together. Yeah. All right. So I will see you all in class, or some of you in class, others online. I hope you have a great week 6. Bye.